No talk. So I had to immediately start back on the recording after I finished up the episode. And if we start on the next one, and boy, shit is getting crazy. Let's talk about it.
Really put Mr. Popo on a t-shirt.
I was too busy enjoying my food, and I didn't hear that part.
With a nervous look on his face, it's like, no, Krillin has lost this battle.
Yeah.
And Dende is like, what? What are you talking about? And Vegeta is like, take a closer look, Dende. You can still sense Mr. Popo's power level, can't you? It hasn't vanished. In fact, it's gotten even stronger.
Oh, shit.
And Dende is just sitting there in shock because he knows what Vegeta just said is true. And Vegeta is like, back then, when I blocked Mr. Popo's punch, he severely damaged my hand. It's been over a year, and I still have the scar.
Oh, shit.
And Dende's like, what's your point, bro? And Vegeta is like, my point is that Mr. Popo is thousands, no, probably millions of times stronger than he lets on. Krillin is...
Damn.
Gets cuts off as a big hole blasts through his guts. Both Dende and Krillin are like, Vegeta! And Mr. Popo is like, those were some very nice moves, Krillin. As the dust clears.
But why you gotta kill Vegeta though?
Who spent time in the hyperbolic time chamber. Last time.
Cheating ass nigga.
Krillin
That nigga cheated, dog. Alright, we next.
Before we start this video, I'm gonna need y'all to smack that like button, bruh. Let's get this joint to 350 likes. And he said, nigga.
Nigga what?
Said,
Nigga what? I'm so confused.
Alright, calm down, bruh. Alright.
I'm so confused.
Alright, bruh, Piccolo. Damn.
Alright.
Dende and Krillin are like, Vegeta! And then that's when Mr. Popo was like, do you know some of the benefits of living on Kami's lookout?
I mean, yeah, that makes sense.
You get to use the hyperbolic time chamber as long as you want.
Damn!
Punches Krillin in the face. I'd say in the past 3 months, I've been in the hyperbolic time chamber about 24 times.
Damn.
Do you know how many years that is? Come on.
Man, that's 24 years?
Big boy. I know you could do the math.
Damn!
Krillin in his mouth. Having Krillin laid out on the floor.
Damn! Get up, Krillin.
Popo was like, you niggas can't fool me, by the way.
Bruh.
I know you're only trying to distract me so Dende can heal Vegeta. But as Dende has
Oh, shit, let's get it.